The journey of soft toilet paper begins with yesterday's discarded paper.
Tons of waste paper are collected to begin the recycling transformation.
From city waste yards, the raw material begins its industrial journey.
The cargo moves toward the factory, where recycling begins.
This facility turns discarded paper into everyday comfort.
Each bale moves closer to the machines that will break it down.
Inside the factory, the transformation of waste into softness begins. The first machines tear apart the compacted paper to prepare it for recycling.
Layer by layer, the paper moves deeper into the recycling line.
Hidden metals are removed to protect the machines ahead. Human inspection ensures the recycled fibers remain pure.
Water and motion dissolve paper back into raw fiber. Water and motion dissolve paper back into raw fiber.
The cleaning stage separates the fiber from hidden impurities. Screened and purified, the recycled fibers prepare for transformation. Behind these walls, discarded paper begins its second life.
Every day, tons of recycled paper feed this industrial ecosystem.
Inside, powerful machines reshape waste into new material. The liquid fibers travel through a network of pipes across the plant.
Refining strengthens the fibers that will become soft tissue.
Here the fibers wait before becoming paper again. The next stage will transform liquid fiber into delicate sheets. Even microscopic impurities must be removed before tissue can be formed. Air bubbles lift ink away, freeing the fibers from their printed past. The waste rises to the surface, leaving purified fibers behind. Continuous washing restores the fibers to near natural purity. The fibers are concentrated to prepare them for final processing. Powerful pumps drive the fiber slurry toward the machines that shape its texture.
Precision refining prepares the fibers for delicate tissue formation.
The purified fibers are now ready to become paper once again. Here the recycled fibers begin forming a delicate paper sheet. Powerful vacuum removes water to stabilize the fragile sheet.
Pressing strengthens the sheet while removing more moisture.
Heat transforms the fragile sheet into real paper. The signature softness is created in this precise moment. The endless ribbon of tissue begins its journey toward finishing.
Huge rolls of tissue are formed for the next stage of processing.
From these giant rolls, Millions of toilet paper sheets will soon emerge.
Giant parent rolls now begin their transformation into consumer tissue.
The endless sheet moves toward machines that shape its final texture. Embossing gives the tissue strength, softness, and structure. Precision perforations allow every sheet to tear perfectly. Cardboard cores form the center of every toilet paper roll. The tissue finally takes the familiar shape of a roll. Precision cutting divides the long tissue log into perfect rolls. The finished rolls continue toward the final stages of packaging.
Automation arranges each roll with perfect precision.
The rolls are organized into bundles ready for packaging. Protective wrapping begins to form around each bundle.
Each bundle is sealed for hygiene and transport.
Heat shaping gives every package its final form.
Identification marks each product before shipping.
Robots handle the heavy lifting with perfect consistency.
Before leaving the factory, the products must pass strict quality checks.
Every package is aligned for the final precision checks.
Advanced cameras inspect each bundle in milliseconds.
Precision scales verify every bundle meets production standards.
Imperfections are removed to maintain consistent quality. Larger shipping bundles prepare the product for distribution. Every box is sealed and ready for final inspection. Every box is sealed and ready for final inspection.
Before shipment, the product must pass strict laboratory tests.
Protective cartons secure the product for transport.
Exact measurements ensure every roll matches factory specifications.
Strength tests confirm the durability of each sheet. Absorbency determines how effectively the tissue performs.
Microscopic analysis reveals the integrity of the recycled fibers.
Once approved, the batch moves forward to final shipment.
With quality confirmed, the products prepare for delivery. Protective wrapping keeps the cargo stable during transport. Protective wrapping keeps the cargo stable during transport. Massive warehouses store the final product before shipment. The finished product begins its final journey to stores. The truck prepares to deliver comfort to homes everywhere.
And this is how modern factories produce waste paper and toilet paper from start to finish.